Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In this video, I'm going to share how to treat pimple at home. I'm going to share some home remedies and some treatments which you can try. Now these treatment would be in the form of face pack, spot treatment and supplements. So let's get started. First type of treatment is spot treatment. First spot treatment is aloe vera gel. This is the easiest form of treatment because you just have to apply it. It is as simple as that. This is something which I have been using personally for many years and it has worked for me every single time. So in this treatment, I'll just take some aloe vera gel. I apply it directly on the pimple breakout and leave it overnight. Next day I wash it off. I repeat it for the next 2 to 3 days, and after 3 days the pimple starts drying out and it gets healed. This is because aloe vera gel has a lot of healing properties and it has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory, which makes it a very effective pimple treatment. So just in case you are allergic to aloe vera gel or this thing did not work for you, there is a second spot treatment that I have, and this is using apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is also very effective in pimple treatment because apple cider vinegar has organic acids which helps in killing those pimple and acne causing bacteria. Before using apple cider vinegar, you have to make sure that you do a patch test because it can burn your skin. It has to be always used in a diluted form. You can't use it directly on the skin or else it would burn. So make sure that you always dilute it. If you're taking 1 part of aloe vera gel, you have to mix it in 3 parts of water to make sure that it is diluted well before you use it on your skin. To use it, first you have to dilute it in this ratio and then apply it directly on the affected area wherever you have that breakout and leave it for 20 minutes, and then you can wash it off, or else you can leave it if the smell doesn't bother you, and the next day you can wash it off and repeat it. You can do this 2 to 3 times a week. Second type of treatment is a face pack treatment. So the first face pack that I would recommend is a cinnamon and honey face pack. Cinnamon and honey face pack is a very effective DIY treatment for pimple because honey has antimicrobial properties and cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties. So when these two are combined together, they become very effective for the DIY treatment. So to make this face pack, you have to mix 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder with 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. Mix it well in order to form a paste. Once you have the paste ready, apply it all over your face. Leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. After that, rinse it off with water. You can do this face pack 2 times a week. Second type of face pack treatment is using multani mitti. Multani mitti is another very all-rounder sort of ingredient. It is very effective for people with oily and acne prone skin because multani mitti helps in pulling out that excess dirt from the skin and cleanses the pores and purifies the skin very effectively. So we can use this multani mitti face pack to treat acne as well. To make this face pack, you have to mix 2 tablespoons of multani mitti with 2 tablespoons of honey. Mix them together, form a paste. Apply it on your face, leave it for 20 to 30 minutes and then you can wash it off. This particular face pack can be done 2 to 3 times a week. Third type of treatment is using some supplements. Most of the times our body is deficient of certain vitamins and minerals which are essential for our body, and because of the deficiency of these vitamins, it causes a lot of pimple and acne breakouts. So our skin starts showing signs in the form of these breakouts. You can take some zinc supplement. There are a lot of things available in the market like zinc supplement. There is tea tree oil as well, which is active ingredient to treat acne and pimple prone skin. You can take these supplements if you want, but since it is not a DIY or home remedy, I'm not going to talk about it much. So that is it from this video. If you like this video, please do leave a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do check out other DIY and other skincare related videos which I have made from the description box below. I have made a lot of makeup related videos as well, and yeah, that is it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.